Hi there viewers, I'm Dr. Sneha and welcome to Vishesh Homeo. Today in this video we are going to see the downside of eating too fast. Overeating alert. Eating too fast might cause you to overeat. Eating fast equals bloating and acidity. Eating your food too fast causes more air swallowing, which leads to bloating and acid reflux. Brain takes 20 minutes to realize fullness. Not chewing your food properly can cause you to overeat. Insulin resistance and weight gain. Eating too fast can cause insulin resistance, which leads to weight gain.
How you doing?
Eating too fast can also cause choking. Eating hurriedly can cause choking. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and share this to your friends and family who gobble food and tell them and chew your food properly. Until then, this is Dr. Sneha signing off.